Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we have a really exciting unboxing video. This is the Lookfantastic October edit. I have just signed up for their year subscription and we are going to open October 1 today. I've just taken out the vouchers that you get, but you do get vouchers for all different things. For example, like Gusto or like brands like that, dog food, stuff like that, that can be useful if you have things like that or you enjoy things like that. And the box actually comes with a little QR code, and we're going to scan this because it tells you exactly what's in the box, how much each item is, just a little bit more about the products. So I'm just going to scan this on my phone. And it comes up with the what's inside this month's box. So these boxes are about £13 a month, and I think that's with the year subscription, so that's what I've done. And it's worth over £60. This box here, as you can see, without spoiling the what's in the box just yet, it says worth over £140, which is absolutely insane. So the first product that I'm going to pull out is the Olaplex. This is their number 8. This is their Bond Intense Moisture Mask. It says it moisturises, smooths, adds body and shine. I've not actually tried anything Olaplex. I have heard good things. I'm looking forward to trying this. It's a nice little size to have a little taster. And where I've recently had my hair dyed, I am trying to look after it as much as possible. So this might be a really good product for me. This is 20ml travel size and it's worth £5. Just want to smell. It's not got a strong scent to it. And this is what it looks like. It feels very moisturising, so not too heavy. It's in between like a lightweight and a heavy consistency. And it's just got a really nice, fresh kind of smell. Not too much, which I do quite like. And then the next product is the Project Lip. This is their lip buff. It says lip buff, scrub and smooth. And I feel like round these winter colder months, this is actually really perfect. I do get really dry, cracked lips, and so I try to use like a lip mask, like things like that really hydrate my lips. I don't usually use like a lip scrub, so this will be really interesting to use, and I think it'd be really good for the colder months. And it comes out in this orange kind of colour. Let's put a little bit on the hand and see what that's like. It definitely has like that gritty, exfoliating kind of feel, but it's not too rough. I've used lip scrubs in the past and I found that they were a little bit too gritty, and I always felt like when I washed them off they were still on my face, but we will give this a go. But yeah, so that is £12.95 and that is actually full size. So already we've got the money back for the box, which is absolutely incredible. The next item we have in our beauty box is the, and I'm probably going to say this wrong, Pie Skincare. This is their Resurrection Girl Hydrating Mask, and I love a hydrating skin product. Especially now, I feel like this box is really good for coming up to that winter cold months when your skin gets a little bit more dry and you need that extra hydration. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So this is what it's like, a gel kind of consistency. It's got a really nice thickness to it, but feels so hydrating. The smell is really subtle, but it really glides on there beautifully. It's really smooth. product is 20ml, it's travel size and it's worth £13. Perfect to put in if you're going away anywhere, perfect to put in your little makeup bag, your skincare bag. The next product that we have is the ELEMIS. This is what I saw a sneak peek of and I was really, really excited. This is their Frangipani Moi, I think, shower cream. I absolutely love ELEMIS. I do have a discount. This video is not sponsored or anything like that, but I do have a discount if you want some money off of ELEMIS. These products smell like a spa at home. Oh my goodness, I've not tried this one and it smells absolutely incredible. Literally guys, I use their products all the time, their cleansers, I use their midnight facial. Oh my goodness, if you've not tried that, get to know it because your skin will be glowing in the morning. And yeah, it just feels like a spa experience at home, which I absolutely love. And it's really, really, really smooth. And look at that. It lavas up. I haven't even got any water with it, but look, you can just tell. Oh, your body will be smelling so, so fresh. Love that. So the ELEMIS product is travel size. It's 50ml, which is a really nice size to put in your bag, a little tester size, but it's really decent. And this is worth £10, which I highly recommend. ELEMIS is absolutely amazing. You're gonna love doing your skincare with ELEMIS because not only do they smell great, the products deliver results, and yeah, you honestly feel luxurious after. So yeah, highly recommend that. And then we also got the Glove Ultra Soft Reusable Pads. I absolutely love reusable pads. They're really, really great because you can wash them. These are machine washable. Really, really, really soft. Great for getting off makeup. I like to stock up on these and yeah, just keep them either for traveling or just for the evening. It's really easy to just use, rewash, and then yeah, use again. And I think you replace these, yeah, every 3 months, it says on the back. These are actually full size and worth £8.99, and it actually says the product colour may vary. And then the final product is Avon. This is their Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. This is 50ml, it's full size, and this is the most expensive product. It's worth £92. I have had Avon products in beauty boxes before. They're the only way I've actually tried them. They're really lovely products, and to be honest, I need to use them a little bit more. But I don't know if I would actually go out of my way to pay that much for a skincare product. I've used other products that I absolutely love for a fraction of the price, but they are really, really lovely products. So let's try this. So this is their exfoliant. And it feels really gentle. So like where I use like the lip scrub, for example, that did feel a bit more coarse. This feels, it doesn't feel as rough. Yeah, definitely more gentle. It does smell amazing. I will give it that. It smells absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on things like that, because I've only ever tried them in beauty boxes. I've not really heard much about them outside of these boxes. So yeah, just let me know what your thoughts are on them. And that is the beauty box for October. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I've got a year's subscription, so more of these videos will be coming up. I'm super, super excited. And yeah, this is a great way for you to get to know products, yeah, test them, and you know, even if you want to give them to someone else, you're still getting your money back within like a couple of the products. So absolutely amazing. For £13 for the year, you cannot go wrong. And you obviously get additional vouchers sometimes as well, which is an added bonus. And yeah, these are absolutely perfect to try out new products and see if you want to buy the full size. So yeah, if you'd like to see more of these videos, then please hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Please subscribe and please hit that like button, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.